Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili dogs at home. We'll start by creating a fantastic chili base. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot until no pink remains. Then, add 1 diced onion and 1 bell pepper, cooking them for about 5 minutes until soft. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin to build a flavorful foundation. Now let's deepen those flavors. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth. Next, add 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans, ensuring they are rinsed and drained. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the ingredients to meld, creating a rich and robust chili. With our chili simmering, let's prepare the stars of the show, the hot dogs and buns. Choose 8 high-quality hot dogs and 8 soft, fresh buns. Cook the hot dogs by grilling or pan-frying them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are nicely browned and heated through. For the buns, lightly toast the inside of each one for about 1 minute. This small step makes a big difference in texture. Now for the best part, assembly. Take a lightly toasted bun and nestle a perfectly cooked hot dog inside. Next, ladle a generous amount, about 1/2 cup, of your warm, homemade chili over the hot dog. To complete your masterpiece, offer classic toppings such as shredded cheddar cheese and finely diced raw onions. Enjoy your incredible homemade chili dogs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.